Hi everyone, Miss Meek here, and today we're going to be talking about multiplying fractions. But before we start jumping into multiplying fractions, we're going to take a look at how to multiply fractions with models. So we're going to draw pictures to represent our multiplying fractions. There will be another video talking about how to do this without the models, but we're going to start off really basic and use pictures to represent our process. So let's go ahead and get started. Here you see 1/2 times 2/3, and you can see that I drew out 1/2 and shaded it blue, and I drew out another rectangle with 2/3 in it and I shaded that yellow. Now when we multiply, what we're essentially doing is combining those two pictures together. So I'm going to divide this in half, and there is my 1/2. And then I'm also going to divide this in 2/3, and there is my 2/3. Now this area right here where both colors are in those boxes, that is my answer. So my answer is going to be 2 out of, now I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my final answer is going to be 2 out of 6. So that double layered, that extra, that area that shaded both colors, that is my overlapping area. That is my answer. Now, if you want to go ahead and reduce this into a equivalent fraction that's in lowest terms, I would divide this by 2. And when I do that, I would find out that I have 1/3. And so my final answer in lowest terms is 1/3. So again, when we multiply fractions using models, we're combining together our two pictures, and that overlapping area is our answer. We also have to count up our new amount of pieces. This is 2 out of 6 pieces that are double shaded. Let's look at another one. So this one I have 3/4 times 2/5. And so I have 3/4 drawn there shaded in blue, and I have 2/5 drawn on that second rectangle shaded in yellow. So to find out our answer, we have to combine those two rectangles together. So I'm going to first draw my 4ths here in my answer box, and I'm going to shade in 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to divide my box up and have my 5ths. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's my 5ths, and I'm going to shade 2 of those in. Now this overlapping area, I know it's kind of hard to see, this overlapping area right here is going to be my answer. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20ths. So my answer is going to be in 20ths. And my answer is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 pieces that are shaded both blue and yellow. So my final answer is going to be 6/20ths. Now again, we can reduce that. We can simplify that into an equivalent fraction that has lower terms. To do that, I'm going to divide the top and bottom number of my fraction, so my numerator and my denominator. I'm going to divide it by 2, and so my final answer is going to be 3/10ths. So that is how we represent multiplication with models. You are more than welcome to draw these pictures and combine them together using highlighters. Highlighters is a really good tool to use on paper when doing these types of models. And they can help us figure out our multiplication because they're that overlapping area. And it also tells us what our new denominator is. So what size pieces are we now working with? Well, I hope that this video kind of helps you understand how to represent multiplying fractions with models. I'll be talking to you later. Bye!